my name is Anya and today I really want to make some mini peppermint crisp tarts. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Add 1 tin of caramel to 1 cup of whipped cream and mix until well combined. To prepared muffin cups, add in your tennis biscuit mixture, which is composed of 1 sleeve of crushed tennis biscuits and 3 tablespoons melted butter. Spoon in your caramel and cream mixture. Sprinkle on some peppermint crisp that has been grated. Add some more of the tennis biscuit base on top. Then some more caramel and cream mixture. And ending off with the peppermint layer. Place in the fridge for 4 hours. And enjoy some mini peppermint crisp.